Wait. Yes, you may.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Drishti Rai.
क्या नाम बच्चों के?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show you my notebook?
After the attendance. Okay, now let me go with the attendance part. Why all of you are raising your hand, I cannot understand.
फॉर्म कब दिया था आपने?
What questions you guys are having?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mahavir sir. Okay, let's start with the attendance part, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
6A, be attentive for the attendance, please. Now,
Excuse me,
for the
ma'am.
attendance,
वापस जगह जान ऐसे नहीं कि वापस
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोर्ड में
yes.
Ma'am, PA1 कब से start है?
Beta, you will get proper timetable at least 1 week prior to the examination. Is it clear? Don't ask to each and every teacher, ma'am, when we are having PAs. You are having PAs very soon. Be ready for them. Do your preparations, and you will get 1 week prior information at least. Okay? Now nobody will ask me this question again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
All right. So let me go. Let me know your doubts in the chat box only. Write it down. Those who are raising their hand, they may write it down in the chat box. I will read it. Yashika Singh, write your problem in the chat box only. And Drishti, same with you. Yes, Arnav Mathur. Abhay Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
According to roll numbers, you guys will unmute yourself.
एक बात बताओ नहीं एक बात बताओ दियाना है वो सबसे
Yes, Arnav Mathur is present.
दियाना तो
Abhay Yadav.
मैम
Okay, Arnav. Abhay Yadav. Abhi Seth.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Okay, Abhi. Afan. Anshul Sonwal. Aish Chaudhary. Parthvi, right now your turn is not there, so keep yourself muted. Same with Karnik Saki. When your roll number is not there, why to unmute? Aish Chaudhary. Aish Nehra. Cherry Vijay.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Okay. Chitrang Sambarwal. Daksh. Dhruv Dhariwal. Rishi Sharma.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, some students are unmuting themselves. मैम उनका अभी तक है ना रोल नंबर भी नहीं आया तब भी उन्होंने खुद को अनम्यूट कर रखा है.
I know this too. Rishi Sharma. Dhruv Dhariwal is not there. Rishi Sharma is not there with us today. Okay. Diana Motwani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Diana. Good work, Diana. Diana, keep your work completed. Whatever I'm writing on the board, you should write along with me, and I can ask you, Drishti, Angel, anyone to provide the PDF of this chapter 4. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Excuse
Okay,
me, ma'am.
Diana. Keep your work completed.
कॉपीज लेने गई थी तो मैम ने प्रिंसिपल मैम बोलता कि आफ्टर 4 अगस्त आपको मिलेगी.
They must be scanning your copy, Diana. The one who is having the good work, that is being scanned and uploaded on the website. Okay, Diana?
Okay, ma'am.
Gurpreet Kaur, Anshika Bharti, Ishan Chiparmalani, Jasprit Kaur, Jatin Ramnani, Jayesh Khandwani, Karnik Sangi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Karnik. Manjushri.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Karnik.
मैम जो हमने मैम पोस्टल पेपर सबमिट मैम ईमेल पर करवा दिए थे तो मैम स्कूल में भी करवाने हैं क्या वापस?
Are you there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you must be getting information over there.
मैम उसमें तो लिखा था कि मैम स्कूल में नहीं करवाने हैं.
नहीं करवाने. Then why others are
No, ma'am.
submitting?
I don't know.
Manjushri, Noman Raja, Palak Sadhwani. Part 3.
Ma'am, present, ma'am. Palak Sadhwani,
Okay, part
present.
3. Okay, Palak, okay, part 3. Pratyush Sharma. Rhythm Naruka.
Present,
Rishabh Shekhar. Okay, Rhythm. Rishit Baguria. Saurabh Chetwani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Saurabh. Samya Jain. Tejas Singh Meena. Tejaswini Dabai. Triksha. Not there. Vidushi Khandelwal.
मैम मेरी प्रेजेंट नहीं लगी क्या?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Vidushi.
मैम मेरी प्रेजेंट नहीं लगी क्या? आंसर सोनवाल.
Anshu Sharma, first of all, this is not the way to speak to me. And when I called your name, where were you? You entered late in the class. Why do you leave the meeting? You are not allowed to leave for 5 minutes. Vishal Arora,
ऑन कर रखा है.
Tanmay Sharma, Ujjwal Jakhar, Vaidehi Khoda, Vanchika Vijay, Vineet Jangir, Yaduvir Singh Joda, Yashika, Yashwardhan Tiwari, Yashwant Singh Bhati, Yug Sukhani. None of them is present. All right. 6B, please be attentive for the attendance. Astha Sharma, Abhiday Singh, Amandeep Ahuja, Angel Gupta, Ankit Sharma, Ayush Bansal,
Ma'am.
Angel, why you are unmuting yourself? Your attendance is done now, Angel. Keep yourself muted. Mumal Rathod, what happened? Why you are unmuting yourself, beta?
No, ma'am.
What's the comment? Keep yourself muted. Angel Abhiday Singh, Amandeep Ahuja, Angel Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ankit Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Amandeep is present. Okay, Amandeep, I have marked. Ankit Sharma,
Ma'am.
Ayush Bansal. Ayush Bansal, not there. Okay. Chitresh Rajawat, Daksh Soni. Daksh Soni. Deepika
Present,
Agarwal.
ma'am.
Okay, Daksh. Deepika Agarwal. Deepika Sharma. Drishti Rai. Jaykumar Soni. Jayvardhan Singh. Janvi Shekhawat. Janvi Shekhawat. Not there. Okay. Next is Jitesh Bhagwani. Yes, Jitesh is not there. Kanav Gupta. Kanav Gupta. Kritika Mochwani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Kritika. Mansi Shekhawat. Meet Jangir. Mishti Ganglani. Mishti is not there. Okay, Mishti. Next time you will write your full name. Everyone, it's for everyone. Write your full name along with your section. Okay, Mishti. Komal Rathod.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. And then again mute yourself. Nandini Dabai. Nidhi Rani. Nidhi Khandelwal. Ompal Sania.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन क्लोज हो गई मैम बहुत देर से.
I know it's freeze because I'm checking in the participants.
ओके मैम.
No problem. Pranav Karan Kumar, Ramacharya, Rishita Sera, Sahil Jethwani is now entering. Shanvi Parekh, Shubham Gavendra. Shanvi Parekh, are you present?
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Shanvi Parekh present.
Okay, Shanvi. Shubham Gavendra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Suman Soni.
Present.
Okay. Tanya Verma. Not there. Tanmay.
मैसेज आ
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Tanmay.
Present, ma'am.
All right, Tanmay. Keep yourself muted. You are not sitting in a peaceful environment. Oh, guys, you guys can sit in such an environment. हाँ, इतने शोर में पढ़ते कैसे हो? याशिका सिंह.
present ma'am
युवराज सिंह.
Present, ma'am.
Aniket Meena. Aniket Meena. Not there. Parth Aswar.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Aniket. Okay, Parth. Vidushi, I have marked your present. And same with Karnik Sanghi. Whatever doubt you guys are having, let me know in the chat box. Nobody will hear. What happened, Tejas?
Ma'am, I joined later because my father's mobile has switched off and I attend with mother's mobile. Ma'am, so my attendance is present.
Are you attending the class furthermore? Will you attend it from another cell phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll admit you in the class. You may leave. Come from another one. Okay, no problem. All right, now let me start with the chapter. So that day, we were discussing the different characteristics on which we are on the basis I can classify them. Okay, my video is paused due to screen sharing. All right, now let's move towards this first concept map. That day also I have showed you this concept map. Let's have a look on this. All right, okay, so this is the concept map. All right, what we are discussing, discussing about the materials of which the objects are made up. Materials, right? We have discussed this: appearance, texture, hardness, physical state, solubility. Today we have to discuss about the transparency. Okay, and one more character, whether they are whether they float in the water or they sink. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about these two characteristics. Okay, rest of the characteristics we have already discussed. So let me set the screen on the board so that I'll be able to explain it and show you practically. All right. Okay. I'll stop sharing this now. All right. So let me show you something. See, this is a glass of water. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am putting one leaf into it. All right. Now I am putting one coin into it. Now what difference you guys are observing over here? What do you observe? That coin sinks down and the leaf is still floating. Am I correct? Is it okay? That the leaf is floating and the coin has been settled down on the bottom. And why it happened? What is this characteristic known as? This we are going to discuss today. Okay, let's open up your book, everyone. Open your book. Open up your book, everyone. Chapter number 4, page number 47. Floating or sinking, right? So what we have done, we have taken a coin and a leaf, and I have put them in a glass which is filled with water. What I observed that the coin sinks into the water and leaf floats into the water. Why? Because coin is heavier than the leaf. Okay, so leaf being lighter will keep on floating over here. All right, leaf being lighter than water floats on it. You can do this activity with so many articles. You can take iron nail, you can take plastic stones. Okay, then do cherry, you may do in the rough copy. Take any pin page, any rough copy, you may do all your work in that. Whatever I'm writing on the board, you have to write. Okay, so coin being heavier will settle down. Now I'm setting it on the board. Yuvraj, sit up straight. Everybody sit up straight. Your backbone should be straight, just like a smart student. So we are discussing about the next characteristic, floating or sinking. Okay. Chapter name is sorting materials. Okay. So we are discussing about the characteristics of materials. Okay, the heavier object by experimenting with leaf and coin, we observe that This is transparent. Okay, I'm able to see on the next slide. Alright, the glass is transparent. If I talk about this book, if I keep this book in front of me, I will not be able to see anything. Okay, why? Because this is an opaque object from which nothing is visible. If I talk about an oily paper, see if you have taken a tissue paper, right? That is what butter paper, which we use for making cakes, etc. That is the example of translucent. So, what is the proper definition of transparent, translucent, and opaque? Transparent, the material through which we can see objects clearly. Okay. What is the example you can give for this? You can give the example of glass. If I talk about translucent, then we cannot see the objects clearly. Okay? Can't see clearly. If I have to give the example for this, I can give the example of frozen glass. Or I can give the example of butter paper. I'm writing it here. Okay, frozen glass, butter paper, etc. You may give the example of these. Now let's talk about opaque. Opaque means from which nothing is visible. Okay. Can't see. To these objects. Okay, can't see through these objects. Now, example for opaque, I'm writing on this side. I can give the example of book. I can give the example of wood, wall, etc. Okay, see. If I want someone else is sitting in that room, right? So I want to check in that room what that person is doing. Will you be able to check? No, I will not. Why? Because that is an opaque object. Okay. If I want to see from the butter paper, will I be able to check? या फिर frozen glass जिसके ऊपर पानी जम गया है. Okay. Will I be able to check? Not properly. कुछ दिखेगा मुझे लेकिन properly नहीं दिखेगा. Right? Transparent, the objects from which we are the material from which we are able to see the objects clearly. Okay, I hope it must be clear to you guys who is entering now in the class. Okay, they must have lost their connection. Cherry and Vidushi were there in my class earlier. Okay. All right, so I hope the whole board must be visible to you guys. Keep on writing. Do it quickly. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. How many characteristics? 7 characteristics we have discussed. Appearance. Appearance की basis पे हमने उसको lustrous और non-lustrous में divide किया. Then we discuss about texture, that whether it is rough or smooth. I have showed you a wooden stick which was rough and smooth, that is glass sheet or this board I told you. Okay. Then we discuss about their hardness, whether they are hard or soft. In hard, I have given you the example of ball or wood, etc. Books. And in soft, I have given you example of sponge, foam. Okay. Then we discuss about the physical state, whether it is into solid, liquid, or gaseous state. Then we discuss about the solubility, whether it is soluble or insoluble. Solubility में Raise your hand just for that, not for any other purpose. If any topic is not clear to you guys, you may ask. I'm here to explain it again. I will. Okay, someone is raising the hand, Rishi Sharma. Rishi Sharma, let me unmute you. Rest of you keep on writing. Okay, I want to hear from Dishi Sharma first. Yes, Dishi Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes, Dishi.
मैम मैम हमने क्लास लेट तो मैम हमने जो आपने इसका आगे का करवाया ना
I haven't written anything other than this. Dishi, I haven't written anything other than this on the board. I was explaining verbally before this. Okay, so please start writing from here. Now you may mute yourself again, Dishi. Okay, next. Next, any problem to anyone? Let me know in the chat box if you guys are having any problem. Let me check the chat box once. Okay, I'm aside. You guys may write. बेटा opaque part 3 opaque object means जिनसे आपको कुछ भी नहीं दिखता. अगर मैं if I want to check in another room, अगर मैं दूसरे रूम में देखना चाहूँ कि what the other person is doing over there, I will not be able to check, right? मैं दीवार के आर पार नहीं देख सकती, मैं बुक के आर पार नहीं देख सकती, right? I cannot see from the wooden objects. So these are the opaque objects जिनसे कि आपको you can't see through these objects. These are known as opaque objects. Part 3, I hope it must be clear to you. Suman, what's your doubt? My voice is not clear to Cherry. Cherry, what happened? Okay, Yashika, I am aside now. Yes, Kana, everything, whatever I am writing on the board, you guys have to write in your copy. Okay, Yashika has written. All of you, let me know in the chat box if you guys have done or if you are having any problem regarding this chapter. Or should I start with the book exercise? Do it quickly. I hope the whole board is visible to you guys. I'm standing aside. Sorry, extremely sorry. Write it down quickly. Let me know your problem in the chat box, part 3. I'll definitely go through it. Write it down. I'm standing aside. Beta, Diana, you just have to give a call on the reception and ask over there. Talk to librarian ma'am. She will let you know whether you may collect your copy or not. Okay? Do it quickly. What happened, part 3? Do it quickly, everyone. Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing this board. Okay, I hope everybody has done. Let me know in the chat box. Have you done? Give me the response, everyone. Quickly. Everyone, give me the response quickly. If you guys have done. Okay, Diana has done, Shubham has done, Yashika has done. Are we having Raghav in class? I don't think so. I'm not going to admit. Okay, Mishti has also done. Those who have not done, they can take a screenshot. अगर एक आध line बाकी है, you may take and later on you may write. Let me go with the book exercise. Okay, later on you may do your work. If you are not feeling well and you are having fever, then you may do it later on. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing this. Let me sit on my place. All right. Okay. Now let's start. Let me share the book. It's 10:50. 5 minutes more we can discuss. So let's discuss the MCQs which are being provided in the middle part of the chapter. I'm sharing the book with you guys. All right. So now let me check on which page we are having this. Okay, activity 1 and activity 2 you guys will do by yourself. Okay, I have explained you. All right, you in this activity number 1 you are being provided with so many objects. You just have to classify them on the basis of whether they are fruit, veggies, spices, CL or fiber. I think all of you are able to do this. Okay, so that you have to do in book only, not in copy. I'm repeating myself. You have to do this in book. Okay. My screen is not visible. How it is possible? Angel, is it visible? Let me know in the chat box, Angel. Drishtira, is it visible? It's visible to everyone. Why not to you, Triksha? All right. Next, activity number 2. This also you have to do by yourself. Okay, thank you, Rhythm, for telling me that it is visible to everyone. Okay, different material from which the object can be made. Okay, Kanav. All right. As the example is given, chair wood की भी बन सकती है, iron की भी बन सकती है. It could be made of plastic, concrete, and clothes. Clothes fiber किसी भी fiber के बन सकते हैं, cotton, wool, silk, etc. Okay. Utensils could be made up of copper, steel, right? Teflon की coating हो सकती है. Anything. So you have to tell about different materials. They are made up of shoes. किस किस के बन सकते हैं, right? Pen किस किस का बन सकता है, metal का, plastic का. Alright, this you will do by yourself. I'm going with the MCQ part. This page. Everyone open up this page. Page number 45. Okay, now this is your chat test. Okay, you know what is chat test? That you have to give the answer in the chat. All right, and the one who will give the maximum answer will be the star of today. Okay, जो सबसे पहले आंसर देंगे और सबसे ज्यादा आंसर देंगे will be the stars of today. So let's discuss it. And nobody has to raise their hand. You guys just have to put your answers in the chat box. Grouping things into separate groups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities is called. Okay, let me know who have provided me the answers. No, Triksha. Yashika was the first to give the correct answer. Classification, then rhythm. Okay, Diana, rhythm, Yashika. These three are correct. Yashika was the first. Okay, very good, Yashika, rhythm, Diana. Classification. First answer is classification. Next, jewelry is made of. Quickly. Jewelry is made of. Very good, Yashika. Again, Yashika, gold. Yes. Cooking utensils are made of. Third, cooking utensils are made of. Quickly. Cooking utensils are made of. Yes, Diana. Metals. Okay. Which of the following is made up of metal? Fourth MCQ. Which of the following is made up of metal? Yes, very good, Ashika. Copper rod. Fifth, which of the following is non-lustrous? Wood. I have told you this answer. Okay, it is wood. Yes, Cherry. It's not C, it's B. Wood. It is non-lustrous means जिसमें चमक नहीं होती, है ना? Luster नहीं होता. So it is B, wood. Okay. All right. Next, come on page number 48 now. Come on page number 48, everyone. Open up quickly. Yes. And similarly, let me know the answers in the chat box. Let me know the answers in the chat box quickly. Yes, materials that can be compressed easily are called. Let me check the chat box. Material that can be compressed easily are called. Yes, Yashika, you are correct. Soft. जिनको compress करना यानी जिनको आप दबा सकते हो, तो वो soft होंगे ना? ठीक है, soft is the correct answer for first one. Next, which of the following is not a hard material? Not a hard material. Yes, Yashika, very good. Soft, very good, rhythm. Tejas has given the answer first, soft. Very good, Tejas. Sugar is dash in water. Sugar is dash in water. Yes, soluble. Very good, Yashika. Part 3. Soluble in water. Third one. Right, soluble for the third one. Liquids that are completely mixed with water are known as. Liquids that are completely mixed with water are called. Very good, Yashika. You are again correct. Miscible. Miscible. C option is correct. Miscible. Very good, Dhyana and Yashika. Which of the following gases is soluble in water? Quickly. Check test. Which of the following gases is soluble in water? Yes, very good, Tejas. It is oxygen. Okay, बाकी नहीं होती हैं, oxygen soluble होती है. That's why the aquatic animals and no Diana, not nitrogen, it is oxygen. That's why aquatic plants and aquatic animals are able to breathe in water. Okay. Now in our next class, we are going to discuss with the back exercise of this chapter. Okay. So just find it out and be ready to give the answer with this chat test. I hope you guys would have found it interesting. Okay, we are able to do the questions quickly. Everybody will be able to give the answer by their own. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. Part 3 is having some doubts, so let me go to part 3 once. Yes, part 3, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, what is the answer of ma'am, which of the following is not a hard material?
And page number, let me know the page number.
48.
8. फोम होता है झाग. देखो आयरन नेल हार्ड है, कॉपर का जग हार्ड है, मेटल है, एल्यूमिनियम रॉड मेटल है, तो ये ऑल दीज आर द हार्ड मटेरियल. लेकिन फोम झाग वो तो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है, वो हार्ड मटेरियल थोड़ी है. ठीक है, क्लियर पार्ट 3? Answer is foam, B. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. I'm having another class. I'm leaving it. Take care.